Brad Williams, Excel primes. Using what I call a quasi-list, we're going to place columns 2, 3, and 4 into this list. How are we going to do this? It's very simple. You're just going to put in whatever columns you want there. And as I've showed before, you can input based on your column numbers. You can use this range reference and just incorporate your columns. So here we have 2, 3, and 4. We're going to have this F9 deal, F9. And you're going to see 9, 1 matches round 1, round 2, round 3. But if we go over here, we just put in 1, this F9 deal, we can see that it immediately changed. The spill feature also changed. Go ahead and put 5. You can see how it can easily adjust. That's one of the nice things about the spill feature. I have my moments and my disgusts with it at times. It serves its purpose. Quasi-list, that's my term. Why? Because it's just a simple, easy to do, implement if you need to make changes instead of going internally into the function. You can do it here. Over here is a narrative. Read it if you need it. The anatomy, we've discussed this. If you're having trouble understanding the flow is straightforward. Take a look at the formula here. You can see here, choose function. B5 is our lists. H2 to J2, that's here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.